Believe it or not, but this Faceless YouTube channel literally made my business go viral with just one video that got over 30,000 views in 3 months. And you should understand that this channel had no subscribers, no external traffic, with basic quality thumbnails and video editing. And yet the video still generated views and even earned some cash through our platform's affiliate link, which is ready to be withdrawn anytime. So, when I started my Faceless YouTube channel, my goal was simple: get monetized and make some revenue from Google AdSense. But then I realized I was making faceless videos promoting other brands. For example, this video right here talks about a VPS service, and it generated almost 30,000 views with plenty of people interested. That's when I thought, why not start my own business and use my Faceless YouTube channel to drive free traffic to my business? And actually didn't expect what happened because it did actually work. So, in this video, I'm going to explain how to start a branded faceless channel, which mainly focuses on growing your business model by driving free, targeted traffic and boosting your revenue. Now, before we start, I just want to clarify that this video isn't going to be about how to start a business or how to edit videos, which I'm clearly not the best at. Instead, we're going to focus only on how a business owner can start a faceless channel and upload the right type of videos that actually convert. The key here is to choose topics that are related to your business and what your potential customers are searching for. You don't need to be an expert in video production. What matters is providing value. Even simple videos can drive traffic as long as they answer a question or solve a problem your audience has. For example, if you're in the hosting business, you can make videos explaining basic hosting setups, troubleshooting common issues, or comparing hosting plans. People searching for these topics are potential customers, and your video can guide them directly to your service. Now, when it comes to finding the right topics, research is key. One of the best ways to do this is by using tools like vidIQ or TubeBuddy. These tools can help you find low to medium competition keywords with a high search volume, which means people are actively searching for these topics, but there isn't too much competition yet. This gives you a better chance to rank your videos and get more views. Another great tip is to check out other small YouTube channels that are already talking about the topics you're interested in. If they're getting a good amount of views, that's a strong signal that you can compete in that space. If their videos are working, there's a high chance yours will too, especially if you bring your unique take and value to the content. By targeting these specific, high-interest topics, you'll not only attract new viewers but also direct them to your business. This strategy allows you to grab new audiences who are already searching for services like yours. The more relevant and helpful your videos are, the more likely viewers will trust you and convert into customers for your business. Now, let me go beyond my own experience. My channel and the other Faceless channel, we were able to convert over 100 active clients to the platform, even though we're competing with big companies like Namecheap and Hostinger. This proves that even as a smaller brand, you can make a real impact. But here's something important to understand. No one will see your video if they don't click on it. That's where titles and thumbnails comes in. So when creating a title, you want to mix SEO with a touch of curiosity. For example, let's take this title. I found a free VPS that no one knows about. As you can see, the title is short, easy to read, and includes a high search keyword, which in this case is free VPS. Placing the keyword at the beginning of the title is important for SEO, helping your video rank better when people search for it. Then, adding something like that no one knows about creates curiosity, making viewers want to click to find out more. And don't forget, the thumbnail needs to grab attention and match the title perfectly. When someone searches for free VPS and sees your video with an intriguing title and a bold, eye-catching thumbnail, they're much more likely to click. Lastly, and this is probably the most important part, is the offer you present in your video. This is how you beat the competition. In my case, our web hosting service offers features that you can find with the biggest companies, but at a much lower price. We start at just $1.58, which encourages people to try our service, even if they don't trust us yet. The low price makes it a low-risk option, and if they like it, and they usually do, they'll stay. Speaking of offers, we're providing something special for anyone who wants to start or already has a YouTube channel. If you're interested, you can reach out to us via our contact page for a win-win collaboration. Here's the deal. You'll get a free hosting subscription for 1 year to make YouTube videos about our service. Plus, you can use your affiliate link to earn 20% of every sale you refer. And don't forget, we already provide $5 in your account, so you only need to earn another $15 to be able to withdraw. The only condition is that you need to get a domain name from us, which is cheap and affordable for anyone. So, I believe it's a great opportunity to create a free website, start creating content, grow your channel, and make money at the same time. And that's it for today. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video. See you in the next one.